Upgrading your windows is one of the best investments you can make in your Baltimore home. New windows can improve energy efficiency, enhance comfort, boost curb appeal, and even increase your home's value. But if you've never gone through a window installation project before, you may be unsure of what to expect. Understanding the process helps you prepare confidently and ensures a smooth, stress-free experience. Here's a step-by-step look at what Baltimore homeowners can expect during a professional window installation project. An initial consultation and in-home assessment. Every successful window installation begins with a thorough consultation. During this visit, a window professional will measure your current windows, inspect for structural issues, discuss your needs and preferences, recommend window styles and materials, provide an upfront project estimate. Because Baltimore homes range from historic row houses to modern suburban properties, the assessment ensures your new windows fit properly and meet your home's specific requirements. Choosing the right windows for your home. After the assessment, you'll select the type of windows you want installed. Baltimore homeowners often consider double-hung windows for ventilation and classic aesthetics, casement windows for tight ceiling and energy efficiency, picture windows for wide views and natural light, bay or bow windows for added space and curb appeal, slider windows for easy operation in modern homes. A knowledgeable window expert can help you choose energy-efficient options ideal for Baltimore's climate, including double-pane or triple-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. 3. Scheduling and preparation for installation day. Once your custom windows are ordered and manufactured, your installation team will schedule a convenient installation date. Before the team arrives, you may be asked to clear furniture and decor from around your windows, remove curtains, blinds, and window coverings, ensure pets and children are safely out of the work area, provide easy access to both indoor and outdoor installation zones. These steps help create a safe, clutter-free environment for the installers. Removing old windows safely and efficiently. On installation day, the team begins by safely removing your existing windows. Professionals take care to protect your flooring and furniture with drop cloths to minimize dust and debris, remove old frames, sashes, and hardware, inspect for hidden damage such as water intrusion or rot. If any structural issues are discovered, your installer will explain the problem and recommend a solution on the spot. Installing your new windows with precision. Once your old windows are removed, the installation of your new replacement windows begins. This process includes carefully positioning the window into the opening, ensuring a level, secure fit, sealing the frame with insulation and weatherproofing materials, installing exterior and interior trim, checking operation for smooth opening, closing, and locking. Baltimore homeowners benefit from expert installation techniques that ensure maximum energy efficiency and long-term durability, especially important in a climate with seasonal temperature changes. Cleanup and final inspection. After installation, the crew will thoroughly clean the workspace. This includes removing old window debris, cleaning glass and frames, vacuuming or sweeping the installation area, reinstalling window treatments if requested. A final walkthrough ensures everything meets your expectations. Installers will demonstrate how your new windows operate and review warranty information. Post-installation support and peace of mind. Professional window companies stand behind their work. After installation, you can expect warranty protection on both windows and workmanship, guidance on cleaning and maintenance, easy access to customer support for future questions, a noticeable improvement in comfort and energy efficiency. Baltimore homeowners often feel immediate benefits: quieter rooms, fewer drafts, and lower utility costs. A smooth, stress-free window upgrade for Baltimore homes. A window installation project doesn't have to be overwhelming. With clear communication, skilled professionals, and quality materials, upgrading your windows becomes an enjoyable experience with long-lasting rewards. From improved comfort and beauty to better insulation and noise reduction, your new windows will enhance your Baltimore home for years to come. If you're ready for a seamless window upgrade, partnering with an experienced installation team ensures your project is completed with care, precision, and exceptional results.